Okay, this is Chapter 5, homework problem number 5, which is the binomial distribution. So for this one it says, assume that random guesses were made for 2 multiple choice questions on a test with 5 choices for each question. So n is 2. Okay, n is how many trials you have. In this case that's 2. The next thing we want to do is find p, which is a probability of guessing correctly. So in that case, each question has 5 choices, so only 1 out of the 5 will be correct. So 1 out of 5 is actually 0.2 if you put that in decimal form. I'll just kind of show you here in the calculator. So 1 out of 5 will be correct if it's a multiple choice. The next question, next part says find the probability of no correct answers. Okay, so that will tell us x. Okay, so just kind of paraphrase here. N is how many trials, which is 2. P is 0.2, which is again 1 out of 5. And then x is what we're trying to find the probability of. Find the probability of no correct answers, so x would be 0. Okay, let me first show you in the calculator, and I'll also show you in the table. Okay, if we use a binomial PDF key, I'm going to go under Second, and then I'm going to hit the Sparse keys, which goes to the distributions. I'm going to go up to the binomial PDF. N is the number of trials, so that's n right here. N is 2. P is 0.2, and x was, it says no correct answer, so x is 0. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go down to paste, hit enter. Again, this is n, this is p, and this is x. So my answer is 0.64. Okay, so that's how I typically show people in class. I'm just going to go ahead and show you in the table as well. The table doesn't work for every single problem. It only works for certain n's and certain p's. But if I go ahead and show you the table here, n is 2, so I look right here. X is 0, and the p is 0.2. So again, n is 2, x is 0, and p is 0.2, and I get 0.64. The answer is right here. The same thing as what we have right here. The bad part about the table is, again, it only has certain values for n and only certain values for p, so it's not the best. I think the calculator is the best way to do this problem.